guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful pouf or Ottoman. I will be using a tube yarn, BeCozi tube yarn. It's a cotton tube with some filling inside. It will be in white color. We have 5 colors of it available. It's similar to a high braid, if you heard about this yarn, and it's washable. It's really easy to use, and it's children and pets friendly. And as you can see, pouf made with this yarn looks really amazing. So if you're ready, let's get started.